People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting and subscribing as usual. Please hit the notification bell to get notification when I upload videos on a regular. So people, the video that you're looking at on your screen happen in Jamaica, people, and I don't know if them money I watch too much movie or what, but this is a scene out of some action movie. Me not gonna lie, people, cause this probably go on a long time, but we never actually see footage of the incident, people, and it's very scary. So I say on Thursday, August 27, 2020, at about 9:15 p.m. in the Kingston 7 area. So it was not even late, it's not like late morning when nobody not really dep on the road and them a pick and choose. It was 9:15, sun just gone down. People still up on the road a drive. But then again, it's a little bushy area, so I don't really know if it's busy with traffic or whatever. So I say on Thursday, August 27, 2020, about 9:15 p.m. in the Kingston 7 area, a man was shot and injured by two assailants. Information is that a man stepped out in the roadway with a rifle in his hand. The victim slowed down. So that's them saying slow down, people. You could look at it two ways. Him could have, as him see the man step out in the road, him could have just press gas and run him over. Or maybe he did the right thing right here. Him kind of wait till him a walk come towards the door, then him just press gas and drive off. Which maybe that probably was a safe and good idea in the moment. But then again, people, when you're in these type of situation, you don't know what you are going to do at that point in time. Because you probably could have seen this man walk out with a gun and just speed up and run him over. And next person might see this somebody walk out and don't know what go on and really stop the car completely and then realize a gunman and then probably press gas and you never know what go happen there. So there's a lot of different ways you can really look upon these people. So the information is that the man stepped out in the roadway with a rifle in his hand. The victim slowed down. Then another man wearing a face mask and armed with a shotgun stepped out in the roadway to the left of the vehicle. Upon seeing this, the man sped off when the man holding the rifle fired into his vehicle, causing damages to the left passenger window and inside of the driver's door. He received injuries to his right leg. He was treated at a hospital and released. I'm getting this information from Vibes promo page. So the area occurrence is not traditionally a hotspot. So I'm saying, P.S. Jamaica Constable Force, it's totally reckless and irresponsible to allow the full report along with the victim's name and full address to enter public domain. So they must say the Jamaica Constable Force actually released the victim's name, him whole address and everything. So other people see this information. The internet I see it right now. So you know, who knows if them brother they already see this information. That I think is reckless. Them information they should remain private, people. Especially in a situation like that. Video get uploaded so everybody has see this video now. So you don't know what them told you they think. And I truly hope them get catch. Me not gonna lie. This is reckless, people. Me not gonna lie, man. Them step out in the road. Them man could have easily get shot right there. So why if them they just, as soon as them walk out in the road, then they start fire. And you see when them do it, people, them do it right where it look like, if you're looking at the roadway, you can see say you have like some pothole and thing. So it's like them do it right there so them know say people have to slow down. Yo, them man I say, man, I wish the man did that go fast and decide say him nah slow down and just clot him, send him cross in a some bush. Man out there and Man, them work so hard for make a living and you have them two little nincompoop ya. I try rob man. And if you go look work and come off fire road, I try hold up people. But once again, people, I'm glad he made it out of this. I know serious injuries was sustained. Alright? Glad for this. Jamaica Constable Force, get to work and apprehend these two gentlemen, please and thank you. So yeah, people, so there is actually a curfew in Jamaica right now because of the increasing COVID-19 virus spreading. It's getting ridiculous in Jamaica right now. 140 something a day. It's out of control, people. If most people don't think it's out of control, it's out of control, in my opinion. So the Prime Minister and Jonas has put us into like all campaigning and motorcades. But there is video surfacing online right now with some PNP supporters on Highway 2000. No social distancing, just pack up in a car. I drive on the highway like they know no sense. And people must say things, oh, why am I talking about PNP? If I the JLP, me I chat same way about them. That's reckless and careless. No social distancing, no mask, nothing.
Watch them on the highway 2000. Look how them are going.
All of them probably have COVID right now, people. People have to obey and respect the laws that is put in to protect the citizens of Jamaica, for protecting yourself. Because you know, I go there, people, and I say, alright, boom, me I support my party. Me I doing that, me a motorcade with me bridging them, my sister in them, or whatever. But you have to think about the people who you are going back home to. You see me? You might go there and think so you're young or whatever, nothing happen to you. But what about the people you're going home to hug and go near to? All the folks at that. It's attacking everybody, but I'm just saying, all the folks is body really can't take no COVID right now, people. So by you going out there, you're not only putting your life in danger, but you're putting people who don't even business about this parade or motorcade. You're putting their lives in jeopardy as well. And I have to do better, people, and wisen up. And I have to do better. 2020 and COVID-19 no have no sympathy for nobody, you know. So it's not until it happened to you that you are going to realize and are going to really take this thing serious. It's like it never happened to somebody who you don't know or somebody close to you, if you know, really be more responsible. You know, have to do better, people. Have to do better. Alright, I'm out. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching, alright? Mad move.